Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. If you are tired of flimsy plastic forks snapping in your food or constantly realizing you forgot to pack a proper knife for your campsite meals, you are definitely looking for the best portable silverware set for camping. This incredible travel companion makes outdoor dining completely stress-free. Let's get started. When you are out exploring the wilderness or enjoying a simple picnic, having reliable cutlery completely changes your dining experience. That is exactly where the Quadish Portable Silverware Set for camping steps in to elevate every meal. Crafted from premium, food-grade 18-8 stainless steel, these utensils are lightweight, sharp, and easy to clean. This high-quality metal provides superb resistance against rust and corrosion, ensuring that your set survives the toughest outdoor environments. The comprehensive nature of this collection ensures that you are fully prepared for any type of cuisine while on the go. The Quadish Portable Silverware Set for camping comes loaded with 5 essential pieces, including an adult-sized fork, a spoon, a knife, and a set of reusable chopsticks. To make your dining experience even better, the chopsticks feature reinforced laser etching for a secure anti-slip grip. This design makes it effortless to grab your food securely without any awkward slips. The upgraded carrying case is a massive highlight for travelers who value neat organization and silence on the trail. The Quadish Portable Silverware Set for camping features an integrated elastic band inside the pouch that holds each utensil firmly in place, completely preventing annoying rattling noises while you travel. Furthermore, the interior is built with a waterproof aluminum foil lining, which allows for effortless cleanup and keeps your bag entirely free from messy food stains. Portability and space efficiency were top priorities during the creation of this sleek dining accessory. The case for the Quadish Portable Silverware Set for camping is highly compact, measuring a mere 9.0 by 2.1 inches. This layout means it is smaller and lighter than traditional travel silverware kits, allowing it to slip effortlessly into a lunch bag, a hiking pack, or a glove box. By providing full-sized utility in a minimal footprint, it helps save valuable pack space. Sustainability and versatile performance make this eco-friendly kit an excellent addition to your daily routine. The Quadish Portable Silverware Set for camping is completely reusable and dishwasher safe, offering a responsible option that eliminates single-use plastics. Its stylish aesthetic makes it perfect for office lunches, vacations, picnics, and backyard barbecues. By blending long-lasting durability with modern practicality, it stands out as a dependable asset for any dining situation. Enjoy a premium dining experience no matter how far off the grid your travels take you. Check the price link in the description to find out where you can get your hands on this amazing portable silverware set today. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome outdoor gear guides and tech updates. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Eat well, travel safely, and I will see you all in the very next video. Goodbye.